Hey everybody, this is TJ Eskew and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be talking all about the Boosted Mini X, the shortboard electric skateboard from Boosted Boards. And it's coming in the mail in just a couple days, but I figured I'd start this video to set up why I bought it and what I think about it, and tell you about how I plan on using it here outside of Chicago. So the long and the short of it is I've seen Boosted Boards all over YouTube. Of course, Casey Neistat has one. I've begun following Elliot Choi. I'll link to his channel up here in the corner. And I just think it's a really cool mode of transportation. I know it's a little bit more for urban settings and, you know, like New York City, or if I lived in downtown Chicago, but even out here in the suburbs, I've decided to give it a shot and see how it can get me around. And you know, they've got a e-skate community down in Chicago, a Boosted Board community where everybody gets together and does some group rides. So I'm going to check that out, and I'll tell you all about it in the next part of this video. So here's one of the paths that I think I'll be riding on. It's just outside where I live, and it's a nice bike path or walking path. And I think that'd be a great place to use the Boosted when I get it for practice. So I'm still kind of trying to figure out how I want these videos to go, and I'm out here at my local park. There's a strip of path around the perimeter that is going to be a great place for me to kind of test out the Boosted Board, get used to it, make sure I know what I'm doing. I have skateboarded in the past, of course, but it's a little different when you got 20 miles an hour of power underneath you. The torque is pretty strong. Obviously, I'll begin on starter mode, and I'll go up to novice, and then I'll kind of one day get towards expert mode, but I think it's just going to be a lot of fun. Honestly, the Boosted Board community seems like it's a lot of fun as far as getting to know people and just getting out and exploring the area that you're in or a different area. Obviously, one thing that is a little bit of a downside of the Boosted Mini X with the extended range battery versus the Mini S is that you can't take the extended range battery from the Mini X or the Boosted longboard on a plane. And so I have seen some vloggers where they've mailed the battery ahead of time and they've taken the board with them on the plane. That seems like a little bit of a hassle, but I guess we'll figure it out along the way. So again, I'm kind of just scoping out the area. We've got this big path over here. It goes all the way around this big part. And this is going to be a perfect area for me to practice in. But I just wanted to give a little bit of my thoughts on the upcoming Boosted Board video that I'm going to be posting, as far as my thoughts on the actual product, the way it rides, what my recommendations might be, what could go into the decision about getting the Mini X versus the Mini S or the longboard versions. I just wanted to kind of put my thoughts out there. I know I haven't done a video in a little while, so I figured I'd kind of tell you what's upcoming. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video when I actually have the Boosted Mini X. I'll go through an unboxing and I'll tell you all of my thoughts. Until next time, this is TJ Eskew signing off.